You may not be able to fly to Dubai to inspect your HVAC supplier. So today, I bring Dubai to you. Walk with me. This is Haste Trading, today, the 22nd of July, 2026. This is what many suppliers show you as PDF. Here you see it as shelves. Compressor oils, Soniso, Motorola, Ethnoc, and here is the cold room section, the tool section, hardbacks, welding tools, clamp meters, ZH, vacuum pumps. As you can see the depth, one tool is a sample. This is stock. Copper pipes, copper fittings. Before you buy copper in Dubai, as an HVAC supplier in Africa, look at the brands on the copper, not just the price. "41 years of legacy, certified and authorized partners of these brands, the control sections, downforce, expansion valves, pressure switch, Castell valves and switches, the temperature control sections, ACO, Sub-Zero, and the instrument pressure section, waste and Athemo. These are the small components that protect your refrigerations, your compressors, your cold rooms, and your chillers. Refrigerant sections, we have Season, we have Refron, we have Mafron. And here is the compressor sections, compressors for your refrigerations, for cold rooms, for your chillers, and for your air conditioning system. Wherever you are sourcing from Kenya, from Tanzania, from Nigeria, or from Ghana, this is what an HVAC African buyer should look at. Not just the price, but sales with real stock and real people behind it. This is not a display, this is live stock. This is where we get stock from every supplier that requests stock from us. Wherever you are in Dubai, you can stop here, the door is open. If you are not coming to Dubai, send us your list or your models and we'll respond to you from these shelves.